1991 and 1995. Trip, do you think we get a second player in the top 10?
I don't. I don't think that. I think the teams want to build on offense. I don't think that there are special players in this draft. I think one of the big issues are these edges top 10 players, Jared Verse and Dallas Turner in particular, and I just wouldn't be surprised if they both slid out. To be honest with you, it does seem like folks like cornerbacks. I could see, I see somebody taking, moving up a little bit there, but by and large, I think that that's the right call. That the answer is one.